As you can see on my screen, this is my Grok account. You can see that I have unlimited. That's my Super Grok, and I did not pay 1 naira for it. And I'm going to be showing you how to do that. All right, quickly. This is the first time I'm going to be showing you. Now you want to make sure you watch the video to the end. And if you are not subscribed to this channel, all right, you have to do that, because if you miss this, you might not see me again.
Wow! Look at the monkey swinging! And the parrots are flying right over us! This is the best adventure ever!
Excellent job, everyone. The stars are swirling perfectly.
Wow! Look at that one!
It's so bright.
Alright, so the first thing we are going to do, we're going to go back to your Grok. So you can go to your Play Store and install Grok from your Play Store. Okay, so I'm going to click on my Grok. Alright, so once I click on my Grok, it's going to open up. Now you can see the options that we have here. So we have different options here. So if you want to sign up, so we have different options on how to sign up. We have direct to continue with your Grok. So this other one is using our email to sign up, and here, which is the last one. So the best preferred method is using this first, but this middle one. Okay, so I'm going to be using this middle, which is this particular one. This is what we are going to be using. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it. So I'm going to wait for it to load. Now it's going to take us to the website. Usually you don't sign up using the Grok app. It's going to take you to your website, as you can see. So this is the website where you are going to sign up. So it says log into your account. You can see login with Apple, and then we can log in with email. So I'm going to go ahead and log in with email. Click on email. Now it's going to ask for you to put your email here. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and now what we need now is we need a temporary mail app. Okay, so I already have one on my phone. So let me show you that on my phone. So let me go to my phone apps and show you. You can see this is the temporary mail I'm talking about. This is the temporary mail I'm currently talking about. So what you need to do is to go to your Play Store. Let me take you over to my Play Store here. So open up my Play Store. I'll just search for the temporary mail. Search for it, and you're going to go ahead and load out. Now, as you can see, this is the temporary mail. Now I've already installed the mail. So you can see I've already installed it on my phone already, so I don't need to. You just go to click on it and it's going to open. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on it. So if you want to get it, it's free. You can go to your Play Store, either your Apple Store or your Google Play Store. Okay, you can do this on an iPhone, or you can do it on your Android phone. So each one, anyone you have can work. So I'm going to go ahead and open it, and since I've already installed this app on my phone, so I'll click on open. So the app is going to go ahead and open for us. So just wait for it to open up. All right, as you can see, once it open, now here are the things that are going to be seen. Okay, as you can see, this is the mail that gave it to us now. Now the purpose of this temporary mail is that it's going to give you unlimited mail that you can use to sign up. Okay, now we need email to sign up for our Grok. We're not going to be using our normal mail, yeah, because we are going to be changing different mail in order to get our unlimited Grok access. So you can see the mail it gave to us now. You can come here to click on change. All right, if I click on it, it's going to go ahead and change it. Now over here is the inbox. Here is the inbox. This is where everything is. All right, so let me just show you that. Now here's the inbox. In case you are getting any notification from this mail, you can see the inbox is currently empty. It's saying that you should refresh. See, asking you to refresh. That means no email have come here yet. So what we're going to go back. So I'm going to go here and change it so I can refresh. Since yeah, I can refresh, swipe to delete. So all right, so this is my mail. I'm going to go ahead and copy it. So I'll go back to my Grok. This is what we need to sign up on our Grok. So I'll go back to my Grok. Here I'm going to put this email here. It's here. Click on next. So just wait for it to load. Now they are asking us to put our password. Of course, we don't really have any password yet. So I'm going to go ahead and verify. So it's currently verifying which our cloud to security to show that you are not a robot, you are a human being. So it's very important. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and click on forget password. Why? Because we don't have any password. We haven't used this Gmail account that you are seeing here So we have not used this Gmail account to open anything before. So we don't have any passwords for the now. So I'm going to go ahead and click on forget your password so that they can send some information to our email. So let's go ahead and do that. So I click on forget password. So now when you say forget password, you can see what it say. Verify your email. That means we have sent a 6-digit code to your email. Enter it below. So we're going to go back to our email, which is this email that we created. Alright, we're going to wait for it to load. Alright, so the email has already loaded. So we're going to check the inbox. Going to refresh. Okay, nothing happens. Alright, so here is our errors here. So we want to go and sign instead of sign up. So we are supposed to be doing sign up, okay? Hence we have not registered before. So I was trying to sign it. So that was an error. So what we need to do is not to sign it, is to what? Is to sign up. And we're going to be using email to sign up. So I click on sign up. So here's where I'm supposed to put my email. So I'll just click on it to put my email here. Paste my email here. Then click on sign up. So you're just going to go ahead and wait for it to load. So now it's going to send information to our email. Now I'm going to go back to my email. Now this is our email. Now you can see that we already have a notification on our inbox. If you check here, you will see that there's already a notification waiting for us. So that means it has worked. So we'll go back to our inbox and just wait for it to load that. Okay, this is the code. If you're going to go ahead and click on it, it will open up. So this is the code that they sent to us. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it to copy. I'll click on copy. I'm going to go back. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to have to type it. So it is 2XIYZ7. Okay, 2XI. Will come here YZ7. We are going to check to make sure it's correct. Okay, you can see it's correct. It didn't even take us time. Now it's correct. Now I'm going to put our first name. Let's say J-O-H. Let me put John. You can just put any name, last name. Let me say John. Is even giving me options. All right, password. I'll just go ahead and put any password here. Let's say new 1, 2, 3. Okay. So let me go ahead and type that again. I just die new. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 6. So this is the password I'm using. Verify I'm not human. So just going to wait for okay, that's successful. Now I'm going to hit on complete sign up. So once you hit on complete sign up, password too weak. Okay. So let me add something to the password. Let me add something like double hash. Okay. So alright, you can use any strong password, a password that you know that you can obviously remember. So I'm going to go ahead and click on verify that I'm not a robot. So it's going to go ahead and load up now. We'll click on sign up, complete sign up. So it's going to go ahead and load. So this time around, it's going to load up. So the next thing I'm going to see is going to say redirect. All right. Alright, so I'm going to go to accept and continue. Alright, you can see here is the Grok image. Alright, so it's currently loading our home page. So now we have already signed up. Alright, now you can see what it's telling us. In order for you to subscribe, it is 48,500 every month, and it's asking us to upgrade. As you can see, it's asking us to upgrade. Alright, so there's a smart strategy we're going to use. You can see this is our profile that we already created. You can see it's a new profile. You know, see, it said try Super Grok. All right, we're going to make use of this. Go to our profile. You see try Super Grok. That is 0.00 Naira. Try now. So this is we're going to go ahead and click on it. You will see what it said. It's going to give us 7 days trial. All right. So it's 499,000 a year. So if you, after the 7 days, you are paying 41,000. All right. This is the trick we are going to use. All right. You're going to go ahead and click on it. So just go ahead and do what I say. So click on to subscribe. When you click on it, it's going to go ahead to load. And then I'm going to use an iPhone. So it's going to ask you to approve. I'm going to go ahead and hit on continue because I'm going to be adding, it's going to load out my payment method. So it's going to show me where I will put in my details. So just go ahead, don't worry. No money will be collected from your account. So by the end of the setup, I'm going to show you what you're going to do. All right, to make sure that you keep using Grok for free for the rest of your life. So this is the strategy that I have discovered. So a lot of people don't know this. So in case you don't have money, this is the strategy that you can use. Even though you have money, except you have an SX, this strategy will work for you. And you can start and you can use Grok Unlimited. So Super Grok. So no excuse. So I'm just going to go ahead and put in details. Now this is my card details and my card number. I'm going to use a MasterCard. So I don't know which card that you have. Right. So you need a MasterCard or maybe Visa. All right. I don't think Wave will be accepted. Put in my CVV details. I'll go ahead and just fill the form completely. So this is my card details. Everything has already been completed. So I'll click on next. So I'm going to add this payment. As you can see, Super Grok. Now the payment is currently loading. Now it said you are all set. You can see it's very easy. Just 2 clicks and then you are set. So it's going to go ahead to load my account. You see what will happen. Now it said you have unlocked unlimited intelligence, maximum creativities, real-time information. So this my account now is currently unlimited. Okay, as you can see, I'm currently on a Super Grok. Right, mind you, they only gave me 7 days. Okay, so if I go over to my dashboard now, you're going to see that I will have access to. Let me check it. You see, I have my Super Grok there. You can see it's showing me Super Grok. Now these are the things that I can do. So I have free access. There's no restriction here. So it's the same. The people who pay for Super Grok, who is paying 49,000 a month. All right, this is what they have. Okay, now mind you, we subscribe to this thing for just 7 days. So after 7 days, they are going to take money from your account. And the strategy we are going to use is that after 6 days, don't wait for 7 days. After every 6 days, you are going to cancel it. You cancel your subscription, and then you are going to relog in with another email, which is the temporary mail that I show you how to create. Right? You are going to use your temporary mail to create it. Every 6 days, you will log out. Don't forget, this account I'm using, there's no money in that account, but even though there's money in your account, the same strategy is what you are going to do. So you are going to make sure you log out you're going to cancel your subscription every 6 days. Right? The 6th day you cancel your subscription and recreate a new account and resubscribe again. You have another extra 6 days again to use Grok for free. Okay, this is how you are going to be doing it. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead to see. I've already generated my image. This image I generated it from I think for Gemini. All right, I also have a prompt that I'm going to use. So my network is very, very bad. You can see, you can't even load the image. So I have a prompt. This saved somewhere. I'm just going to go ahead and copy the prompts out. All right, this prompt I'm going to use to animate this image. This is a chef, a female chef. So I want to animate it using the Grok, the Super Grok that we just subscribed to. So this is the best method that you can use. Okay. Also, they are asking for, they want to know the age of the person that is creating the account. Just going to go ahead and put in age there. Go to sign up. All right, it's currently loading. It's not supposed to take time like this because you can see my network is very, very down. It's actually very, very slow, as you can see. So I might have to pause the video and just paste the complete work at the end of the day if it doesn't load fast. So I might have to do that.
Let me try and see if it can still work out. Okay, so let me try and just try if I can regenerate it again. So if it doesn't work out, I will just go ahead and paste the, pause the video and make sure I recreate it and then paste the complete job at the end of this particular explanation so that you see what I created. All right, so I'm trying to regenerate it again from scratch. All right, it's currently loading. So you have no issue. This is your 100% Grok. All right, so it's already done loading. So I'm trying to download it. I see my network is very bad. I can't even download it because of my bad network. All right, so once it downloads, I'm going to go ahead and paste it here so you can see what we did and how that this Grok is functioning well. You can create 30 seconds video, direct 30 seconds video with this strategy.
Come, let me show you how to prepare a delicious Nigerian dish that feels illegal to know.